Hey there everyone, today I'm going to show you my new Cusimax stand mixer. I ordered the one in black and today we're going to unbox it and take a look at all the accessories and how to attach and detach them. First off, the stand mixer came in a clear plastic bag nestled tightly between two pieces of foam inside the box. Taking it out from the box, I can see there's an instruction manual and there's also a few accessories. All the accessories and attachments are encased in their own individual plastic baggies. We have a black spatula, a mixing attachment, a dough hook, and a power cord. And then removing the foam pieces reveals the entire stand mixer and mixing bowl inside a large plastic bag. So let's go ahead and remove the plastic bag, and then we're going to turn the stand mixer onto its side because I want to show you the bottom of the stand mixer. Here we have 4 very strong suction cups on the bottom of the mixer. On the unit itself, there is a button on the front that you can press to lock and unlock the tilt head. Below that is a speed dial that starts in the off position and then ranges from slow stir up to a fast mix. I think the stand mixer is pretty slick and it has a nice flat chrome top. Let's take a closer look at the attachments. These attachments are pretty heavy, definitely made of metal as they are pretty heavy and substantial. The entire spatula is plastic though. There is no rubber part on the flat end like other spatulas, so I will likely use my own Betty Crocker spatula instead. Oh, and here's a third attachment, the whisk. It's pretty big as well and will be perfect whisking eggs and making whipped cream. And of course we have the 5-quart stainless bowl as well. And here's the real reason why I specifically chose this stand mixer. This is a clear plastic detachable splash guard. It has an opening that comes with a little lid that you can flip open and shut. The splash guard has a few rubber tabs when you attach the splash guard to the top of the unit so it stays snugly in place. Through the hole you can add ingredients while mixing, and because it is clear you will always be able to see through into the mixing bowl. And with a lid that you can shut, it will help to minimize the mess, especially if you're working with flour to make bread or cookies. To set the mixing bowl in place, first push the button to unlock the tilt head so you can raise it to make room for inserting the bowl. The base of the bowl has 3 tabs that lock into place with the unit. When the bowl is set in place, you can then press the button again to lower the tilt head and lock it in place. And here I'll show you how to attach the mixing accessories. Line the hole up at the tip, push up, and then turn to lock it in place. To detach it and remove it, reverse the steps. And here's the beater installation. Same steps as before. And here's the dough mixer installation. And so all in all, I think the steps to get started with this stand mixer is quite quick and easy. And I'll show you one more demonstration from beginning to end.